Welcome everyone. Today we will explore some awesome keyword shortcuts. So let's get started. Our first set of shortcuts is of web browsing. Let's begin. Number 1. By pressing Ctrl plus N together, you can instantly open a new window in your web browser. This comes in handy when you want to keep your current window open while looking another web page. Number 2. If you wish to close your current tab you are on, simply press Ctrl plus W. This shortcut saves your time and effort of reaching for your mouse and clicking the mouse button manually. Number 3. To find a specific term on a web page, press Ctrl plus F. Type your text and let the browser highlight the instance for easier navigation. Number 4. Switch between multiple tabs using the Ctrl plus Tab shortcut, quickly finding the one you need. Number 5. If you accidentally closed a tab and you want to retrieve it quickly, just press Ctrl Shift T and your browser will reopen the most recently closed tab. No need to panic. Number 6. Stay productive and multitask efficiently with Ctrl plus T shortcut. This shortcut opens a new tab and explore without interrupting your current browsing session. Number 7. Press Ctrl plus R to quickly refresh a web page and update the content. Now that we have covered some essential web browsing shortcuts, let's move on to system operations and some other useful shortcuts. Number 8. If you want to shut down your computer, press Alt plus F4 to shut down your computer. This shortcut brings you the option for shutdown, allowing you to power off your system. Number 9. Need to take a short break from your computer? Press Ctrl plus Shift plus S. Puts your computer into sleep mode. This helps in power saving while keeping your work safe. Number 10. Windows plus L is a useful shortcut to lock your screen quickly. It is perfect when you are away from your desk. Number 11. Capturing screen shortcuts has never been easier. Press Windows plus Shift plus S. Allows you to capture a specific area of your screen. It saves automatically in the screenshot folder. Number 12. If you want to record your screen activities, simply press Windows plus Alt plus R to easily start the video recording of your screen. No external software is needed. It's a built-in feature in Windows. Number 13. Need to quickly access your desktop? Just press Windows plus D to instantly display your desktop. Number 14. Press Windows plus A to access the quick setting panel for easy adjustment of volume, brightness and network settings. Number 15. To open a new window in Windows, simply press Windows plus Tab to open a new window in Windows. Easily navigate between multiple open windows. Number 16. Open the Windows setting menu instantly by pressing the Windows plus I. Easily customize system settings without searching through menus. Number 17. Expressing yourself with emojis is now easier than ever. Press Windows plus dot to open the emoji panel, where you can choose from a wide range of emojis to add a touch of fun to your messages and documents. Number 18. Using the Windows key in the combination with arrow keys allows you to manage and arrange open window. By pressing Windows plus up, it maximizes the window, and Windows plus down, it minimizes the window, and Windows plus left or right snaps the window to the respective side of the screen. Number 19. Ctrl plus backspace delete a full word at a time, making it a convenient shortcut for a quick text editing. Number 20. Lastly, if you want to open a new private browsing window for secure and confidential browsing, simply press Ctrl plus Shift plus N. That's all for our guide on keyword shortcuts. By using these shortcuts, you will save time and become more productive. If you are facing problem in remembering the shortcuts, then you can create a handy shortcut wallpaper to overcome memory hurdles like I have done. Train daily with a quick look and never struggle to remember the shortcut again. Thanks for watching and I see you in the next one.